The world's first parametric hidden lamp, integrated into the radiator grille, offers surprise and fun every time. The three-dimensional grille sparkles like a jewel, revealing different colors depending on the viewing angle. The long and clean hood, without the parting line, is elegant. The horizontal rear combination lamp creates expectations of high tech. The consistent, subtle details hint at a refined, urban feeling. The hidden rear wiper evokes amazement.
The well-organized interior became more convenient. The enlarged space is enough for 4 190-centimeter tall adults. The fold and die faux flat seats are perfect for large cargo or camping in your car. The closer full-touch navigation can be operated in a split second. Open the door with your smartphone. Get ready to drive with a single touch. And your car already knows where you're going. The difficulties and complications of the past have become easy and simple with the Tucson. The air will always be pleasant with smart voice control, gentle multi-air mode, automatic fine dust purification, and automatic air conditioner drying. Hyundai SmartSense will bring comfort to your shoulders, calves, and even your mind. See, hear, and touch. Everything you see, hear, and touch is more enjoyable with the all-new Tucson. The tidy open cluster is close and clear. The close navigation screen can be easily reached within 1 second. The touch-type buttons are easy, quick, and precise to control. The large and colorful display is intuitive. Various cluster themes and mood lamp are pleasant for your eyes. Six different sounds of nature help you relax. Bose 8 speakers offer strong and balanced sound. Enjoy elegant driving experience thanks to the all-new Tucson's high-tech display and premium sound. You can open the door and start the car with just your smartphone. You can load all your settings by selecting your personalized profile with one touch. You can see the scheduled destination linked to your smartphone. You can share your location through navigation. You can change music between two smartphones while driving. You can check various information with just a single word. You can update navigation wirelessly. You can enlarge driving videos and store them on your smartphone. You can see the final destination also on your smartphone. You can protect your personal information when using valets. You can pay through navigation without pulling out your wallet. You can control your home IoT devices through navigation. Enjoy the connected life of the future with the all-new Tucson. If you don't like dry airflow hitting your skin directly, press the multi-air mode button. Mild winds will spread through the hidden air vents and maintain a pleasant temperature. It's a hassle to turn on the AC, heating, cooling seats, and steering wheel's heat, isn't it? When you start up the all-new Tucson, the car references your desired temperature, outside-inside temperature, and solar radiation quantity, and turns on features considered necessary. It has been inconvenient to manually lower the wind speed that was too strong in the automatic air conditioning mode, right? With the all-new Tucson, you can choose from 3 different automatic wind adjustment ranges, so even those who don't like strong wind can enjoy the auto mode. Say, make it blow stronger when drying your hair. Say, turn on the handle heater if your hands are cold. Say, turn on the seat ventilation if your back is sweating. If you say, make it warm, the all-new Tucson will automatically turn on the heater, heated seats, and the heated steering wheel. Enjoy clean and fresh air in the all-new Tucson and stay healthy and happy. Leaving a child alone in the back seat can be dangerous even in a short period of time. The all-new Tucson urges the driver to check the back seat with a cluster pop-up message and alarm when the driver opens the door. Also, if movement is detected using the ultrasonic sensor once the door is locked, the horn is honked, emergency lights are turned on, and a text message is sent to inform that there is someone in the back seat. If there is a vehicle approaching from the rear sides when a child opens the door to get out, the all-new Tucson detects this and sends a warning message and sounds off an alarm. Remote Smart Parking Assist is extremely useful when parking in or getting out of narrow areas.
Each color shows off its own charm. This is Tucson, Hyundai's new design philosophy. Hyundai, sensuous sportiness.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn on the bell to hear about our latest videos if you haven't done so yet. Stay tuned. Technovation's channel.